We get asked a lot, how do you raise a bent without a crane? This is one way we're going to show you that uses a come-along and a pivot point to actually redirect the force of the come-along to a vertical element. It's relatively simple to rig. It doesn't require any high-tech or particularly expensive tools to do. We took a piece of sheet metal, and underneath this post there are a bunch of screws that anchor the sheet metal to the first floor platform. The real purpose of that pivot is to just redirect the chain so it's heading up so that the bent in fact comes off the ground. No matter how many times I've done this or seen it, every time the pivot kicks out, you have a little bit of a heart attack. Everything kind of moves a little bit. So you can see that takes a few minutes, maybe a little bit slower than a crane, but it's a very slow and controlled process. At this point, we'd hang a plumb bob off the top of the beam down to the outside edge of the deck, manipulate it in or out, and then finally attach the two brace boards. Now the bent is up and plumb, and we're ready to move on to the next one.